area, and we're about to get some ice cream, and it was on our bucket list. This place is about 40 minutes from where we live, but we really wanted some ice cream, so we came.
It's like fresh churned ice cream between two like fresh out of the oven cookies.
And they're magical, and we're going to show you a picture of the menu so you can dive with us. Rock on. So, this is the menu, my friends. It's good stuff. Hey, Morgan. What are you going to get?
Oh, I'm getting a turtle cookie with coffee blast ice cream.
Champ.
We got these really yummy ice cream sandwiches.
Okay.
And now we're gonna eat them.
So, what'd you get?
I got a turtle cookie with coffee ice cream.
I got turtle cookies with coconut ice cream, which sounds really weird, but it's brilliant. And it was on our bucket list to drive to this place because it's pretty far out of town to get ice cream. How do you feel about your random lunch? Yeah, Morgan got the same thing I got, just a little different setup there.
Yeah, it's chicken teriyaki. Trying to figure it out. We didn't ask for forks yet, so we're gonna give it about 10 minutes.
See, there's a struggle. Hey friends.
So we tried to order off the secret menu at Jamba Juice, but they did not have a peaches and cream, so I just got peach perfection.
And I tried to order a chocolate covered cherry, and they looked at me like I was crazy, so I'm gonna get the chocolate peanut butter thing. We tried really hard, and we're gonna learn how to make these smoothies ourselves.
Yep.
P.S. The secret menu is bye. We pulled out of our bucket list to take photos on the golf course. We did it, and they're pretty cool. So
Successful.
props to my dad for letting us
Do that.
on the card. It's a fun time.
Yep. See you next time.
Rock hard.
Go.
There's an S under my clothes, on my chest where nobody else can see.